Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Spot. Today, I'm going to show you 3 different hairstyles that are as beautiful as they are simple to execute. First, I'm going to show you how to do a cute braid that subtly frames the face and adds a bit of flair to your everyday hairstyle. As you can see here, we're sectioning the hair at the deep middle part and working our way forward. Simply take small sections of your hair and cross them one piece over another, as you can see here. Continue to pick up pieces as needed as you braid. This look is perfect for a simple night out, your first day of school, or even a summer wedding. All you really need for this look is an elastic band once you've completed the braiding process. We'll quickly finish up here, and then I'll show you what's next. Once you've picked up enough pieces, simply finish up the braid, tie it with an elastic, just like this one, and tuck the excess hair underneath the back. Pin it back with a bobby pin so it's nice and secure. Next, just pull out some pieces gently to add a bit more volume. As you can see, this lovely braid frames the face nicely and just adds a little bit more to your everyday style. This right here is our next look. It's sort of edgy and rocker type, and it's one of my favorite hairstyles to do when I go out for a night out with my girlfriends. Start at the very front of your head and section your hair into 2 separate pieces. Cross one side over another and simply work your way back by sectioning your hair into 2 pieces and continuously laying them one piece on top of another as you work backwards. This is one of my favorite hairstyles because it is truly so easy to do. Once done, fasten with several bobby pins, and just like the first hairstyle, pick up pieces and pull them up gently to add more volume. This right here is our 3rd style. This funky do is perfect for concerts and other nights out. We're going to start by sectioning the hair evenly and twisting it back, just like this. Fasten it with a small elastic and work your way down the head. You can pull it into as many different sections as you'd like. We're on to our 4th one here, and then simply take the excess hair in the back, twist it up into a small bun. This is one of the easiest hairstyles. Let me know if you enjoyed my video in the comments, give it a like, and please don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.